Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to get you started with your very first Tosca workspace for SAP.
So here's what we're going to cover, from that first step all the way to what you can do next.
All right, first things first. What's a workspace? Well, it's the central hub for your entire project.
But before you can create that workspace, you need a starter kit. Tosca calls this a subset. You've got two main choices. For what we're doing, that SAP testing subset is what we really need.
So what's so special about it?
Well, it comes preloaded with a ton of ready-to-use SAP components. You can find this file right on the Tricentis Academy. It's a quick and essential download.
Okay, now that you've got your subset file, you're all set to actually build the workspace.
It's really just these 6 steps. Let's quickly walk through how you create your new workspace.
So right now, Tosca is doing the heavy lifting, importing all those pre-built SAP tools for you. But hey, automation is usually a team sport, right? So let's talk about sharing your work. To share your stuff, you just export it. This bundles your modules into one simple shareable file. And why does this matter? Well, it makes sharing custom tools with your teammates an absolute breeze.
And to use what a teammate made, you just do the reverse and import their subset file.
The big takeaway here is that you're saving a ton of time. No need to reinvent the wheel.
All right, so your workspace is ready. Now for the fun part. What do you actually do with it?
Well, now you can actually start building your tests, capturing SAP controls, and running your automation.
Okay, you've got the foundation. So what's that first big SAP process you want to tackle?